Hi everyone, today I'm going to showing you my calculator app made with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In HTML I created a structure and display box and button like numbers, operator, clear, delete and equal. After that I create CSS. In CSS I made the design. I used a glassmorphism style, rounded corners, shadow and also grid. Layout of all button. This make UI and look modern clean. And also JavaScript. In JavaScript I added the main function button and value of the screen, C button, clear, del, remove all digit and calculate the result. Also added error handling. So thank you guys, this is my simple and modern calculator app. Like and subscribe my project. Thank you guys.